You are going to love the 2018 Durango. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort while towing your camper or boat. It offers more interior room and towing capability than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power lift gate, remote engine start, driver airbag, passenger airbag, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, cruise control, anti-theft security system, universal garage door opener, voice-activated navigation system, fog lamps. Come see the car for yourself.